Hello and welcome. My name is Keegan and I will be sharing with you really simple, gentle breath practice to support you in being with whatever emotions that might come up. So sometimes we are filled with sadness or grief or anxiety or worry, and we can start to get caught up in that emotional upheaval. And instead of running away from whatever is showing up in our life, this practice of yoga and mindfulness, mindful awareness, and radical acceptance is to be with all of life, to be with it all. And so the breath is a really great practice to help recenter and rebalance and regulate our nervous system in those moments when we might get those big emotional floods of sadness, of grief, of anxiety, of worry, and so that we can find our way back to a grounded, centered space. So, wherever you are, find a comfortable seat. You could be lying down on the ground too, whatever that is for you. Let's roll the shoulders a few times. You can sit in a chair to support your back. And let's bring the palms down to help with grounding. Let the elbows rest at the side ribs. And let's just start to connect with our breath. So take a nice big breath in through the nose. And then exhale, sighing out the mouth. Gentle sigh out. You can let the eyes rest closed if that feels safe for you and comfortable, or you can just bring a soft gaze down to the ground without moving the head. And take another big breath in, and then exhale, sighing out. And then breathing in, and breathing out. And we'll just find an even breathing here. So we'll do 4 to 4 count. So inhaling for 4, holding, exhaling for 4, and holding. Before we begin with this breath, just allow yourself to presence to whatever emotion is arising for you today. Name that emotion of whatever it is, and stay with that steady breath in, fully filling up the belly and the body, a steady breath out, softening any muscles of the face and noticing where tension rises and meeting that tension with the breath. So naming whatever emotion is arising for you today. It could even be extreme joy, it could be happiness, it could be confusion, excitement, nervousness, anxiety, grief, sadness, curiosity, wonder. Whatever it is for you today, name it and breathe with it today. Let yourself be with this emotion today without trying to fix it, without trying to push it out of the way or force it to be anything other than it is. Just being with. Bring one hand to your heart and one to your belly and just breathe into the hands. So let yourself stay in your body with this emotion and with this breath. So breathing into both hands and then exhale. Softly breathing out through the nose and in through the nose. Breathing into the hands. And resting the hands back down into the thighs. And then we'll begin to that one-to-one breathing. So breathing in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and holding it. And then exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. let's do 3 more rounds. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale fully for 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. One more round. Inhale fully, 1, 2, 3, 4, filling up the whole body, holding at the top. And then exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Just breathe in naturally and try to keep that even breath in and even breath out, finding balance with the breath. Notice any shifts in the sensations of your body, physical or emotional sensations, and let yourself just be with it, with this breath. Notice if anything has shifted with this emotion that you named of where you are today. Maybe bring one hand to the heart and one to the belly again. Breathing evenly into the breath, evenly into the hands, evenly into this body. Allowing yourself to find that balance and letting yourself be with life as it is without trying to change it. Being with your breath, being with yourself without having yourself to be anything different than who you are today. And slowly bowing the chin in towards the chest to honor yourself for showing up to this practice of presence, of loving kindness, mindfulness, and acceptance. Letting the hands rest back down on the thighs, opening the eyes to gaze at the floor for a moment to reorient yourself back to your space, and lifting your gaze, reorienting back to the room that you're in. Thank you for joining in this practice. I would love to hear how this goes, so please do let me know. May you be well.